ridge right there, guys.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And I gotta pee.
Yes.
What's going on, everyone? Charlie checking in.
That's why we're exiting. Erica checking in.
Right here, Travels Together on P Ridge. Figure I'd go ahead and check in, guys. It was very, I don't know, poetic. I gotta stop and use the restroom real quick. P Ridge, there's that ridge, yada yada. Happy Memorial Day weekend to every single one of you guys. Thank you for watching our video yesterday. We went to the world's largest zoo.
That was fun.
That was super, super fun. There are a lot of cops around here. 100 deadly days of summer, guys. We are going to check out some waterfalls today.
Yes.
What waterfalls are we going to check out?
We're going to go check out Bridalveil Falls and Looking Glass Falls, and then we're going to go slide down Sliding Rock.
Sliding Rock.
Yes.
Awesome, guys. I've heard about Sliding Rock. My mom went there as a kid, back in her Catholic camp days or whatever. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're hanging out, just we're chasing waterfalls this weekend, guys, for this Memorial Day weekend. Enjoying nature, one another, and vlogging for all of you guys. So here we are in the middle of nowhere. School bus stop ahead. We'll make sure we don't.
P Ridge Road don't have a gas station.
I gotta take a pee. I'm just gonna take a pee, look at one of these ridges, and we are headed to see some waterfalls. Much love to Asheville, Brevard, North Carolina. We love it all.
We love Asheville. We love the people at Asheville too. We were just talking about that.
Yeah, so anyways, let's get this vlog started.
Oh yeah.
Waterfalls. Getting somewhere now.
Okay, guys. So just a little slight change of plans. We got a little bit messed up.
A little backed around. Bridalveil is nowhere near us.
Yeah, no Bridalveil today, but that's okay because we still got 2 waterfalls, and right now we're at the Posgah National Forest Visitor Center. And I believe it's going to be pretty neat in there. Going to get some information. And there's people like having a picnic.
Hungry.
All kinds of stuff here. Visitor Center. So we're going to check this out, and then we're still going to go and do Looking Glass Falls. And of course, we're going to go slide and rock. So let's see what this visitor center has for us, babe.
Let's do it.
He's been sleeping. Somebody took a nap in the car. He's still waking up. So.
Bears. Hey, little guy.
I scratch him behind. Oh, he is really soft.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Super, super soft. Stroke the furry wall.
Forest Heritage National Scenic Highway. Whole bunch of brochures and fun stuff you can do along your way. And this looks like Looking Glass. That's where we're going to.
Yep.
Yep.
Cool.
Oh, I wonder if we'll see this guy. The Hellbender. We didn't see him yesterday.
He was an unholy hellbender. We didn't see him yesterday.
Yes, he was hiding. So.
Welcome to the land of waterfalls.
I want to go
What's the
to
number
all
one
of
rule
them.
of waterfall safety?
The #1 rule of waterfall safety: stay away from the ledge.
Stay off the top of the waterfall.
Nuh-uh, we're going to the top and sliding down.
We're sliding down the rock.
Oh,
How many
yeah.
people visit Sliding Rock every day?
Every day, Sliding Rock, 700 people.
1,000 to 2,000.
Yeah, I saw the traffic out there. Charlie was sleeping during the traffic. Yes. So. You were calling the fish, and now they're here, babe.
Awesome. So now we know. 2,000 people a day to Sliding Rock.
Wow.
So we're gonna go look at Looking Glass and then Sliding Rock, and then we'll be part of those statistics. One of those 2,000. We love taking all you with us. So man, today there's going to be about 10,000 going to Slide and Rock, because every single one of you guys are coming with us. So.
That's right.
First stop, Looking Glass Falls, 1,000 feet. Let's go take a look at it.
Yes.
Looking at you through the glass. And look, guys, this place is just packed. Wow.
And even though we're a little bit late, I think we're here at the right time.
Yeah.
So everybody's
yeah.
leaving.
Leaving. We creeping in as they leaving, man. You know how it is. I'm in the middle of the road, too. Not too bad of a little walk for us right along the river. Like I said, 1,000 feet up, guys, is Looking Glass Falls. So it's not a very strenuous hike. Oop, I'll say that as I'm about to fall right down that.
Down the cliff.
Yeah, but any of you guys, you know, that you can't really get out and hike, you know, mile, 2 miles. This is one of the reasons Erica was like, I don't want to see Looking Glass, because she wanted to go hike and see it, you know?
Yeah, no hiking to this one.
This is not much of a hike to this one, so.
Actually, we'll show you.
Yeah, I'm going to show you right about now. Here we are, guys. Looking Glass. This is a really nice viewing spot for us right here. Hey, baby! Hey, boo-boo! A lot of people out here just enjoying this wonderful natural beauty. It's amazing. Love it. Looking Glass.
Yep.
Get a little closer. Okay, baby. Going up the side of this waterfall, guys. And you are in for a spectacular, thought I saw something, spectacular view, guys. Take a look at this. Look at these people, they're just sitting there swimming, trying to get as close as they can to the waterfall, but they keep pushing away. What do you think, love?
Feels good.
It does, feels real good. Looking Glass, people. Beautiful. Travel together.
Come here, sit with me.
Oh, God. It's pretty packed here. She's walking, got to make it all the way to her shoes. So we're getting out of Looking Glass, going to Slide and Rock. One last shot, guys. One parting shot.
Cheers.
And there's our girl, Dusty.
Oh, Dusty.
Just a 1,000-foot walk, and you're at Looking Glass Falls, guys. So really nice, quick, easy hike. Not much of a hike, you know, we're right here on the road.
Yeah.
And yeah, if you're in the air, come check it out.
How far away you got to park.
Yeah. So next spot, Slide and Rock. Here we are, guys. I gotta pay for parking too. All right, guys, this is the bridge to Sliding Rock. Got my ticket to slide.
I got my ticket.
Got my ticket to slide. And it seems like a bunch of people, that guy's coming, but it seems like a lot of people are starting to leave. So we may not have to wait in line too long to slide the rock, as it were. Look how pretty. Little ASMR moment for you. Officially, welcome to Sliding Rock Recreation
Wow, this looks steeper than what I've seen it before.
Really?
This picture.
Oh geez, that does look a little steep. Guys, I've heard about Sliding Rock since I was a kid. Since I've lived in South Carolina, I've never ever seen a waterfall before. I remember Mom told us this story about how she used to go to Sliding Rock. She went to a place called Our Lady of the Hills, and they came right here to Sliding Rock, and she told me all about it. Said it was like the summer of her life.
I actually looked it up to see if we could go camping there.
Yeah.
And you can't. It's like a whole church organization thing.
Yeah, so she said it was the time of her life, and I wanted to go check it out. And I told her, I was like, Mom, you know, she's got to use the bathroom real quick, but I told her, I was like, Mom, if you want to come out here and check it out with us, you know, we can, you know. So, but unfortunately, you know, she got her phone taken away from her, given a new phone, you know, and I wasn't given the number, you know, thanks, Mike. So, you know, anyway, I'm still gonna come out here and have fun and think about you, Mom, and hopefully you watch this. You know, this is Sliding Rock 30 years later. Hate to really tell your age, but yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and get there. Coming down, as you guys see, after Memorial Day and after they have lifeguards on duty. Cost you $3 to get in here. And see if I can give you a quick shot of this person just coming on down. Look at this. Wow, you guys, you can't really see it too great from right here, man, but this is just beautiful. They say what, 11,000 gallons a minute flows down this waterfall, which is actually a waterfall, guys. And they say back in ancient times, man, they said that the Cherokee and the Catawba, they used to come out here and beat the heat, sliding down the waterfall.
Yep.
So much fun. I think Erica is getting herself ready.
Yes, I gotta put my thingy on.
Gotta get her ticket to slide, and she's gonna hit Sliding Rock first. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a nice shot right here for you. Come here, Erica, right now. Maybe not. So much fun. I think Erica is getting herself ready.
Yes, I gotta put my thingy on.
Gotta get her ticket to slide, and she's gonna hit Sliding Rock first. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a nice shot right here for you. Come here, Erica, right now. He's taking the slow ride down. Slow ride. My man Scott. And kerplunk. Okay, here she comes. Erica's next. $60-foot sliding rock. Yeah! So man, I'm gonna let her check herself. I'll take the camera away for a second. What'd you think?
I think you'll like it.
You think so?
Yes.
My turn. You look great. That was fun. Looked like fun.
Yeah.
All right, my turn. You gonna film me,
I think I'm
baby?
gonna go over there and film you from that spot.
All right,
that's a
let's do
good
it.
spot.
Go. Slide. All right, look how beautiful. And I'm bleeding, so I need to go clean my leg off, and then I'm gonna go sliding. Erica's gonna film me.
Charlie is on his way, and I didn't want to tell him that water is shocking, you guys. My diaphragm is hurting right now because I was like, like I couldn't catch my breath. I felt like the wind was literally knocked out of me from how cold that water is. So I didn't tell him. He's fixing to get a shock. With his cowboy hat.
Woo! All right, guys. I think I shanked that slide. I was all around, man. Almost got rock burned.
On your elbow again.
That was fun. That was exhilarating. That took my breath away. And it is 8 feet deep right there. I was kind of shocked I wasn't swimming. When you hit, you better start swimming.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
That's sliding rock. You want to do it again?
One more time.
Try a couple more times, and then we are out of here.
Yeah.
I was up there at the top, and I was just imagining and remember just thinking about Mom when she was 13 years old.
Up there doing it.
Sliding down this very slide herself. Thinking about your mom. We love you. Think about all you guys too, man. Travels together. And all these beautiful people out here.
Hey, George!
Slide.
Slide.
Oh, that kid hit hard. And here comes Erica again. Lost a little momentum. Oh! Making a splash in the barn.
Look, guys, I noticed this myself. There's fish in there. They look like shiners, like what you catch bass with. And that's strange. Right here at the bottom of Sliding Rock, there's fish. Here he comes. So silly.
Alright, guys. This is what vlogging's all about.
Yeah, it is.
I enjoyed every single second of it.
I showed them the fishies. The fishies.
Showed them the
right
fishies?
where these people are at.
Crazy, man. Could you just imagine a Cherokee back in the 1500s, even before then?
Oh, yeah.
You know, whenever they went to beat the heat, they'd come right here and slide these rocks. Same very rocks. 60-foot
awesome.
natural slip and slide. Right here in Brevard County. Sliding rock. Love it so very freaking much. Cool.
In the Posgah.
In the Posgah. Right here in the arena.
In the
arena.
Yeah,
Hunger Games. So, anyway, that's it. Enjoyed it. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
All right, guys, and that is it. Sliding Rock, Looking Glass Falls.
Looking Glass Falls.
Sliding Rock was amazing, guys. I really liked it. Turtleback might be a little more exhilarating, but Sliding Rock is, I don't know which one is a longer slide. I really don't know.
I think Sliding Rock is longer.
But
Turtleback's not for kids.
Not for kids at
No.
all. Whereas we saw here, man, there was toddlers, babies in diapers sliding down Sliding Rock. Bring your family. It was
I saw
awesome.
a couple people that obviously couldn't swim, but they'd hit the bottom, and then other people would grab them.
Yeah. So, yeah, fun stuff, man. We really enjoyed it. Mom,
Definitely recommend
please
it.
watch it. Hopefully this bring back some memories for you. And we made our own memories. Yep, came here because of Mama. But we made our own memories, our travels together.
Fun.
With one another and with all of you. So we're going to go ahead and leave it here. Sliding rock back behind us.
Sliding rock, I would say.
Off the checklist.
Shocking.
We'll get, shocking.
So,
we enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. We're going to end it here.
Yes, remember to like and subscribe and share all that fun stuff. And we'll see you later, guys.
Peace.